Hello everyone, Namaste. We are discussing why we experience pain in romantic relationships. When you are in a relationship with a person and you experience any form of pain in that relationship, what happens is this. When you are interacting with that person in this relationship, this person triggers some aspect of you, triggers you somehow. And this triggering leads you to push away an aspect of yourself far away from yourself. So now you are devoid of one aspect of yourself, and this causes the pain. This is the reason why you experience pain in relationships. How you can overcome this? When you provide that aspect which you have pushed away with what it needs, and then you reunite that aspect in yourself, then this pain vanishes. And since you have reunited with that aspect which you earlier pushed away, that means that you also begin to love the person which was responsible for this, which had triggered this. I should not say responsible. He is not responsible, but he has triggered you. So this is why you experience pain in relationships, and this is how you can remove that pain, convert it into love. Please comment in the comment section. I like reading your comments. I pray to this universe that it keeps you happy, healthy, prosperous, and may you stay close to Mother Nature always. This is Aditi Gupta, Life and Business Coach and Strategist, signing off. Thank you.